We learned that learning through sharing attained high-level thinking, and learning through discussion, sharing and clarifying ideas, understand other points of view causes a long-term memory and preserves the information for longer. By applying this, a teacher can enhance the learning of their student and even those who have an average and poor achievement level. This shows improvement when they are working with the diverse groups. So collaborative learning in the school provide the opportunities to help the student to learn, participate and grow the new trend of 21st century, that is collaboration skill, and that is essential for the future well-being of our students.
Collaborative learning in schools provide opportunities to help students to learn, practice and grow the new trend 21st century skills that is essential to the future well-being of our students. Now I will share with you some collaborative activities that you can conduct in your class like group discussion, case study, role play, team building activity and problem solving activity. You can conduct these activities in small as well as in the large groups depend upon the age of the students and content to be delivered. For conducting collaborative activities in class, some activity features can be helpful to in-service teachers for a better result. First of all, group formation. Divide your class into group, keeping the group as diverse as possible, and you will find each student will get the benefit from the group. Equal boys and girls ratio, if possible, tends to make more successful. Being mindful of the size of the group, don't make a very small and very big group and size as it hinder the completion of the task. Diversing of the group and correct size of the group provides students a pool of talent and enables to learn different learning styles, get new experiences. The next feature is role assignment. As a teacher, establish the group role of each student. Assign specific role by teacher, enhance the responsibility and encourage the student to work more desirably and participate in the activity with the individual responsibility to complete and achieve the target goal. The last feature is that is very important, feedback. Feedback can be provided at the end or during the activity, depends on the situations. Feedback should have impact. Please understand that feedback should be in the form of suggestions. It should leave the impact on the students. Suppose if you mention any drawback, give suggestions also for the improvement, then only it leave the impact. Regular monitoring or feedback during the activity can also help in foster the completion of activity. You can display the activity on the class bulletin board. It is also a form of feedback. Peer evaluation can also be used for providing the feedback to the students. As a teacher, it is very interesting to observe the students, to hear the voices of the student in the class when students are working in the groups, running here and there to collect the information, discuss with their peer groups, making some noise in the class to create a positive, fun-filled learning environment in the class that enhance a very valued and highly demanded 21st century skill in students. Now, you tell me, as a teacher, do you enjoy working as a team? Yes? No? Depends. Think.